Paste the Wall uses a special backing paper that doesn't expand when it gets wet. As you don't need to soak the wallpaper, the paste can be applied directly to the wall, which saves a significant amount of time compared to regular wallpapers. Therefore, Paste the Wall wallpaper products can be hung quickly and easily, cutting decorating time by half. We're going to show you just how easy it is to hang Paste the Wall wallpaper. The tools and materials you'll require for this job are Instant Mix wallpaper paste, Paste the Wall wallpaper, tape measure, metal straight edge, spirit level, 2 flat brushes, bucket, warm water, cloth, step ladder, pencil and utility knife. Before you begin, ensure that your wall is clean and completely smooth. If you notice any holes in the wall, patch them up with filler to create a neat, even finish. Then, using a pencil, mark where the straight edge of your wallpaper will go. Use a spirit level to ensure that your edge is straight. Do not use the corners of your wall because they are not always perfectly straight. Making your paste is quick and easy. Always follow the instructions provided for the mix you buy, as most differ slightly from one another. Put the recommended volume of water in a bucket, then pour the paste in. Mix gently with your brush and leave the paste to form for the amount of time recommended in the instructions. To cut the wallpaper to size, first transfer measurements onto the back of the wallpaper with a pencil. Be sure to leave 50 mm of wallpaper either side of your measurements for the overhang. Once your paste is ready, use a flat brush to generously apply the paste to the wall rather than the paper. Only paste the length of one section at a time. This is the easiest, cleanest and quickest way to apply wallpaper. Hang your section of wallpaper by lining it up with the straight edge you drew with your pencil. Use your second brush to smooth out the wallpaper. It's important that you leave a slight overhang when applying wallpaper. This can be cut away once the paper is applied. Use a metal straight edge and a utility knife to trim the wallpaper to fit around door frames, skirting boards and wall corners, as well as to remove overhang. Finally, repeat this process and work around the room methodically. Remember to match the pattern by adjusting how much overhang you have at the top of your wallpaper. Once complete, wipe down your walls with a damp cloth for a neat finish.